How to New Work Life Insurance Company obtain information and underwrite your request for coverage. In this noting reference, you and your include any person, purpose, and insurance information regarding will be trusted as confidential. I in consider what in your request of insurance. Quality of insurance, we will rely on medical information you provide and on the information you authorize us to obtain your physical other medical patients. Your authorization may be used for a year on 24 months from the date of sign application of insurance unless sooner revoked. The authorization may be revoked at the any time be notified by New York Life and writing in the address provided. MIB and other insurance companies may also finish New York Life and subtitle on the privacy administrator with non-medical information such as driving record, activity use as alcohol or drugs, and other application of insurance. The information provided may include information that may be predate the time frame stated on the medical questions section. If any on the application, this information may be used during the underwriting and claim process where permitted by law. New York Life Insurance may be release this information to the policy administrator, other insurance companies to which of may application in insurance of the which a claim of benefit may be submit and other whom the authorized in writing. If you cannot provide the coverage you request, we will tell you why. If you feel our information is in insurance, you will be given chance correct of the request and New York Life of MIB. You will be provided on the non-medical information.